Alright, good morning everyone. It's about 9 o'clock. Slept in a little later than I would have hoped. It got really cold last night, probably below 40s, and I only brought a 40-degree sleeping bag with me because I thought, hey, it's getting close to summer, so, you think it's going to be a little warmer. But I didn't really get a chance to share with you this amazing view that we have right now. Like, look at this. Look at how amazing this is. If my camera will focus on it. There we go. Look at that. Look at that amazing lake view. I know there's a tree right there, but we're going to be hiking up a couple of mountains. I think we're going to be doing Gully Mountain. But I just wanted to share that view with you guys. Like, look at how absolutely stunning it is. I do have a drone with me that I will definitely be taking up and getting some shots, and I will make sure to put them up as well. I'll be doing both stills and just some cinematics. Hopefully the water's warm enough where I can get the paddleboard that is back on the car, which is right over there. So hopefully, get to go in the lake. I'm hoping we get to go in the lake. My wife is sleeping right now, but I'll let her sleep because we both had a rough night because it was so cold. But right now, I am going to start working on, I brought a solar shower. So I'm going to hang it probably in this tree right here. I have a tarp just to kind of have like privacy and whatnot. We are at a state campground in the Adirondacks. So I will be working on that, and then I'll be working on getting some food along with some coffee. Gotta have some coffee. Today we're definitely going to hike up Gully Mountain. I think I said that, yeah, Gully Mountain. And we're going to be jogging the Lake Placid Trail. So I have my GoPro. I'll be showing you guys more of that. I also didn't get a good chance to introduce you to my good friend, Denali. This is Denali. He comes along camping with us quite frequently. Yeah, he's a good pups. He is 100% Alaskan Malamute. We always get, come here. We always get like, oh wow, that's the biggest husky I've ever seen. And we always say it's not a husky, it's a Malamute. So, he's a good boy. He carries a lot of the forest with him, and now he's eating a stick. Hey, don't eat that stick. Don't eat that stick. Hey. He's still eating a stick. Come here. Yeah. Hey. Say hi to everybody. Okay, he's interested, but we have a cooling jacket, and you'll be seeing a lot more of him soon. So. Here we are at Chimney Mountain. We're gonna be hiking up that way. It's a beautiful lake over that way that we'll be checking out, and I will definitely hook up the drone up there. So yeah, let's do this hike. Turn you around. Away we go. Beautiful day. Hi puppy, did you soak it?
Yeah, it's like before we left.
Okay. Yeah, that's Puppy's, that is his little cooling jacket. Definitely helps him when it's really hot out right now, because as you can tell, he is a snow dog. Doesn't like this, does he?
He doesn't like any kind of warm.
And here's the trailhead. It's like a private trail or something. What?
Private property for that trail.
Yeah. Okay. Please register. Got a little stream down there. That's cool.
You know, if I had known that, I wouldn't have just given you water.
Yeah. If I knew that, I would have brought my filter too. But I've never been here, so this is learning.
No, okay.
All right. How am I gonna get across this? Good thing I have a stick, and she has Puppy. Way back there.
Well, Pup missed the rock.
Did he?
Yep.
Well, that's good. He went in the water? Mm-hmm. Of course he did. Bugs are killing us. We got quite steep incline. We came from over there. There's a lake over there, but we gotta go that way. And these bugs are awful. Absolutely awful. Oh wow. Now we're down there. So, just came across this guy, which is pretty sweet.